Andrew at ImpressComputers, guys. We're going to talk to you today about the build we're doing. This is going to be a video editing machine. We threw in an i7 13th gen, right on in a Z790p Wi-Fi motherboard, DDR4, 16 gigs of that. That's going to be Corsair Vengeance. We are going to put in that RTX 3060 with a 650 watt power supply. We went with the bronze ratio on that. It's not going to be run too high end, along with a Kraken X63 cooler, and all of that's going to go right on inside of our Corsair 175R model case. That's going to be a traditional case. We didn't go with too much RGB, no thermal panels, so it should go right on in and be a nice high-end performing machine for these guys. Hi guys, Andrew at ImpressComputers. We have the final product. What we put together, like I said, nice i7 13th gen in that Z790 motherboard. High end. If you ever wanted some AutoCAD devices constructed or even some gaming, this is what we do. We put it together, cable management, install Windows, drivers. This particular case actually housed the two-fan cooler, which we were worried about. The NZXT Kraken X63 went in nicely, as a matter of fact. So the Corsair 175R case that we chose, perfect choice if you wanted to do that. Threw in an RTX 3060. We went with the Cooler Master to power it, just a 650 watt. And anything you need along with that, guys, we offer the service to build, to teach you how to build, or if you need some AutoCAD devices for your business. These are going to be higher quality as far as how many options you've got. Whenever you go the direction of a laptop, it's not to say that you're going to have worse performance. There's just some limitations as far as graphics cards and soldering kind of runs you into a wall. A gaming computer doesn't mean that you're a gamer. It means it's going to have a little more whenever it comes to diagnosing or constructing. A little bit more breathing room, more airflow and whatnot. But if you ever need that, all you have to do, just call Impress 281-647-9977. All right, guys, thank you so much.